If you're mining down network, there is a new update on the down network regarding listing and token generation. However, if you watch the end, I'm going to be giving you a tip and secret how you can as well boost your earning to aim more, down points before listing day. Right now, looking right here, I got over 359,000 PTs of the down network. All right, now basically, if you're someone who have not started mining, now this guys is just like the grass network, which tend to use your network, which tend to use your local network of your bandwidth to also in you points for just running the extension, right? And that is what grass tends to do. And a lot of people who mine the season one of grass tend to make a lot of money. I'm also an example of those kind of people who make a lot of money from grass, right? And that network is an anticipated airdrop which has been running for the past months right now, and currently they've integrated new updates which are going to lead to the listing and TGE of their token. However, if you come to the top right here, if you click on it, you're going to bring to this interface. And if you don't have an account on Dawn, or you've not started mining the Dawn network, first link going to be in the description, so with the link for you to set up an account either with your mobile phone or with your PC, and then you tend to use the code which is also going to be in the description section. That way it will give you more points. Let's say you tend to join the Down network with the referral code, you can get over 20,000 PTs as the case may be. All right, so that way it gives you more leverage for your sign up bonus. Right now, if you come, basically they have new updates added: home, profile, dashboard, store, and refer a friend. Right, if I click on dashboard right now, this is what it should bring, right? And this is my total points of the activities I've done. My Twitter points are 5,000 points, Discord points, and Telegram points. And you're going to see my total referral point. Now, basically, you want to see that it's actually the referral points that give me more leverage to earn more of this particular Dawn network points, right? Now, and I'm going to show you a trick how you can also get a lot of referrals to come on Dawn network using your referral link. So you want to also stick around, because this is going to be one of the tricks which I'm going to show you on how to get more people to join Dawn network and earn you more points. Now, if you look, basically they have something called the web dashboard. Now, if I click on the web dashboard, this is the new integration which they just brought out, and this web dashboard help you see the user interface, the full user interface of Dawn. Now it shows me basically this way for me to log in, and all you want to do is to log in with the same account you use in logging in your Dawn network. And once you tend to do that, all you have to do is to click on login. And once you click on login, to bring you to the dashboard looking like this. And if you look right here, my validator status is connected, and if you scroll all the way down, you want to see for the last 7 days I've been earning via normal earnings and stuff, and for the last 30 days same thing basically. All right, and also all you want to see the statistics going on. Right, if I scroll down below, basically now you want to see that my referrals is what gives me more leverage to earn more points, right? And you can see basically over 91,000 in PTs of my referral, right? So which is to say, if you are certain to bring more people, you earn more points. So in general, like I said, I'm going to teach you a strategy, a secret strategy you can use to get more people to join Dawn. Just keep watching. All you want to do, let me scroll to the top right here, go to the dashboard, and here you are. You can see my total earning and current approach, right? And the current approach, I'm having over 760 points and total referral of 91,200. Now, basically, these guys have raised over $35 million in fund, and which is to say that this is gonna make the project bullish right now compared to that of grass. If I come right here and search on grass, so grass has the same category and the same roadmap with that of Dawn. And if you watch, basically grass has done its season one, which make a lot of people money, and currently right now grass is also trading at $2. So this is to tell you that if you also take this airdrop so serious, you could make a lot of money if you accumulate more points. Now, here is how you can also earn more points and also get more points and more people to join, which is going to increase your points mining. Now, all you want to do, if you're as well enjoying this video, is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification. Basically, now we're going to be using a tool. We're going to be using an email scraping tool called Socklead, and this Socklead help you find emails from the internet, be it Google, be it Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google Map, or whatever social network. You can as well scrap anyone's email and then sell them any product. And trust me, you're not selling these people your product. Basically, you are so telling them about a product that could possibly make them money. Right now, all you want to do is to just click on start a free trial and then set up an account, and you have an account being set up. And if you tend to use the link which is going to be in the description section, it will give you a leverage to get over 100 credits, which you can use to scrap over 1,000 emails for free. Right now, once you're right here on the interface, you set up an account, you're going to go ahead and log in. I'm going to go ahead and log in because I already have an account. And for me to log in right now, I'm going to click on login, and there it goes. You're going to bring me to this interface, and this is my password. I'm going to click on login basically. All right, so once I click on login, this is what it's going to show. So I've been using this to also scrape emails, verify emails, and it has been working for me. I've been using it to promote some projects using this same strategy, and trust me, it works 100%. Now, if you look, basically, I've got over 71 credits. But if you use the link, like I said, in the description section to also set up an account on Circulate, you're gonna get over 100 credits, which can also generate over 1,000 email for free. Now, for example, let's say you want to scrap any maybe people from maybe YouTube, you can do that. You can scrap from Twitter followings, you can scrap from LinkedIn, you can scrap from Instagram hashtag, Facebook, and bunch of them, right? And you can also get leverage for whoever you want to also join your project. Now, let's say you want to scrap for YouTube, right? Well, I'm going to use YouTube for instance. I'm going to click on scrap YouTube now, and then you're going to enter a keyword. Now, the keyword is the people you want to target, right? Let's say I want to target people who are interested in a particular stuff. Let's say people who are interested in making money, or maybe stay at home mom, or stuff like that. So you just have to think outside the box and also try to figure out what are the individuals who are in the internet definitely searching, most especially people who want to make money off the internet. So I'm going to use something random. I'm going to say, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to just use something like let me say teachers, right? Let me just use teachers, and then I'm going to choose country. Now, you saw the thing about these guys, you can also get to choose whatever country you are, maybe United States, Canada, United Kingdom. So if you want to target people from the United Kingdom, then this tool going to help you. Now, I'm not going to be targeting any particular niche because I want anybody to join this particular platform. All you want to do is to then click on search results. Then how many do you want? You can put 150, as many as you can, and the more numbers you put, the more results you put, the more people you tend to get to join your airdrop to make them money, right? Now I'm gonna just say, for the sake of the tutorial, I'm gonna put 10, right? And then scroll the way down. Then right here they said how it works. I can say avoid duplicate email. Now, duplicate email is if I don't want to see multiple emails at the same time, right? But trust me, they won't show you multiple emails. Now, also another one is validate email. This validate email, if you check on it, it helps to check if the email is a spam email or just a disposable email, because there's some email that are disposable, so it will help you scrap those invalid email, right? But trust me, since I'm using YouTube, anyone on the YouTube tends to be using a valid email, right? Because you create a YouTube account with a Gmail account and not a disposable account, right? And basically what I'll have to do right now is scroll the way down and I'll hit on search. And once I hit on search, they will tell me now relax, we'll wait for the results. Searching can take some time and stuff. I'm going to click on OK, and then let's wait for this to run. Right now, looking, basically they say YouTube keyword research, 10 emails ready. All I have to do is to download via CSV or download via XLF. So I'm going to download via CSV, and then boom, it's going to download. And all I have to do is to just click on it, and once I click on it, holla, this is it. Now you can see I've got over 10 email of teachers, right, depending on whatever they are teaching. Now, so you just want to get their email. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to Control A and also copy the whole of this email, and then try to get only the major email, because the only major email are the ones at the left hand side. I'm going to open a document right now. All right, so I'm going to open a document, make this a new one basically, and then the next thing I want to do is to then come right here and paste all those email, right? And then I'm going to come here, Control V, and all the email will be pasted, right? Now, once I'm done with this, the next thing I want to do is to start getting the major email. Now, what are the major email right here? So all these ones you're seeing right here are not the major email. I'm going to just click on it and delete, and starting from the major email, this one say Tabesk, gmail.com. So this one right here, another major email. I'm going to click on delete, right? And also this guy right here is not the major email. I'm going to then start cleaning. So the cleaning process is where you tend to take your time and remove all other links, and that's all get only the major email, right? You can see like so. So once you're done doing that, you're going to take your time and also clean your email very well so you don't make mistakes, right? I'm going to do that. You're gonna see how it's going. So I'm going to go ahead and do this and as well get all these 10 email generated. Then I'm going to take you to the next step, to the point where we're going to be looking for a copy we can use to as well send this email to this particular individuals who have this email, so they can as well tend to see our copy and also sign up with our done airdrop for them to make you money and also make themselves money at the same time, increasing your points and also making themselves money. Easy peasy. So I'm going to go ahead and do it and then come back. Alright guys, I'm done cleaning the email and you can see our email looking pretty cool. Now the next thing I want to do is to get copy. And how do you get copy? I know you're not an email copywriter, or you don't even know how email copy work. Now what we're going to be using, we're going to be using a tool called ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT is going to help us draft out good copy that could resonate people, to be persuasive, and then click on our link, or depending on what offer we are generating. All I want to do is to come to ChatGPT, and if you don't have an account on ChatGPT, all you want to do, you can also use the link which is going to be in the description section. And ChatGPT is an AI which helps you as a supporter to get work done and ease. Now I'm going to go ahead and log in because I already have an account, and if you don't, just sign up for free. I'm going to click on login basically. All right, I'm going to go ahead, enter my email and click on continue, enter my password, and then go ahead, click on continue, and basically I'm going to have access. So they send me a Gmail code, so I'm going to get that Gmail code real quick. All right, there you go. I'm going to click on continue, and the next thing I want to do, I'm going to wait for this to load up. Once it tends to load up, then you're going to have my account right now. So basically this is ChatGPT. Now before you also start prompting ChatGPT, that's how you want to go ahead and prompt ChatGPT. Don't just go ahead and tell ChatGPT to maybe generate email copy for your stuff like that. So you just want to interact it like human, asking ChatGPT to act as a particular stuff you want to do. Now for example, I'm going to be like, hey chat, all right, it says hey what's up, so I'm going to be like, I want you to act as email copywriter. All right, so see what I said I want you to act as a email copywriter that write copies that resonate people to take action. All right, this is people, and then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to hit on send. Now what happened, ChatGPT will also update its memory to also target only for him or her writing email copies. And here it is. It said the goal of the email, your audience, your offer, and then professional. Now what you want to do, you're going to then first of all think and ask yourself, what is the goal? Now you're going to be like, write a prompt. Let me write the prompts for you, so which you're going to use. So you're going to be like, this is it. So I start by saying I want to promote an airdrop, because they asked me what's the goal of my email. I said I want to promote an airdrop called the down network, where people run on their PC or phone automatically with their data network or the extension and get paid. Now here's the network, and this is my ref code. And if you don't know how to get your ref code, just come to your extension, go to homepage, and then come to your referral and refer a friend, and then this is the code. Easy peasy. Then the next thing I had to do was scroll down below. I said they asked about how do you want to sound in terms of tone. I told the ChatGPT to sound professional and friendly, and here they asked about the audience. So I had to put out the 10 emails which I scrapped right here, and then down below I said make the mail specific to each, make the mail copy. This is what I'm supposed to do. Make the mail, let me change it to copy. Make the copy specific to each mail and make the mail short. Use a cold email strategy, right? So what I will have to do right now is to then go ahead and send. Boom. And once I send, now ChatGPT will go ahead and do her thing. Now this is it. Now starting with the first mail with the number one person, he said to Baskin, gmail.com, subject impassively while browsing. Here is how. Now it now said, hi to Bex, hope you're doing great. Wanted to share something exciting. Down network lets you in passively just by using your phone or PC. No trading, no ad, just install their extension and you're good to go. Here's the link, use referral code. It's totally free, worth checking out. Best, and you put your name, easy peasy. And trust me, this is how you're gonna just copy this and send to the mail. Copy and send. Is that easy. And trust me, this strategy works like fire. I can see the ChatGPT make it specific and not just one strategy of email. It used different strategy. You can see basically. So he said this one starts with music run in the background, so does the passive tool, right? And it with different ad copy, different strategy, not just one copy. So trust me, if you use this strategy and as well send a couple of emails to this particular Gmails, basically they will definitely, you know, click your link to check out what it is that easy. So to even go further to make it easy, to make it, you know, more professional or make it more simpler for them to understand, you can look for a video about down network on YouTube, maybe this particular one or whatever you down network, which they also make a detailed video how to set up down network and also attach it to the mail. That way it will also sound a kind of a source file for them to watch and understand. Trust me, if you try this strategy, it will work like fire, and we're going to see a lot of people flooding to your, you know, down network airdrop and then earning you more referral earnings and points. Trust me, this is the only strategy you can use to earn more points. And you trying to use bots, trust me, down network will find out and they will, you know, take down your account and you won't earn more money. So using this strategy will earn you more referral earning because that network has not gone way global. But if you tend to start promoting it little by little, you start getting more people joining your referral earnings and then earn you points. And trust me, these guys have a huge community on X with over 523,000, which to say they have a strong team working on. So you don't want to miss out on this mission, on this journey of that network. And that being said, if you got value from this video, all I want you to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification, and also comment down below how many points or total earning you've got on that network. So the current approach is still running, and very soon the approach 1, approach 2 will, you know, start up, and then you can also keep, you know, earning and piling up your points. These guys have the same, you know, roadmap with that of grass. You can watch basically reward, basically you can see your approach currently and then in. And if you're not also mining grass, their season 2 is currently ongoing, and also they are currently on approach 8. Don't miss out. You can also use all the links going to be in the description section. Until I see you in my next video, you can go ahead and check the 2 playlists right here regarding how to make money with meme coin and also how to trade futures trading. Until I see you in my next video, keep winning, stay safe, and peace out.